Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial on the Dart programming language, and in this tutorial we're going to see a few basics of the Dart programming language, like how we can declare a variable and print the data of that variable in the console of your application, right? So to do that, let's start with a message variable. Let's say I wanted to save a message, so I can create a variable message with the data type string, and I can say hello inside it using a single quote, so that becomes my message. Now the Dart programming language always needs a main method. Okay, so I have added a main method with a void as an access modifier. That means that this method cannot return anything from inside the method. As you can see, we cannot return anything. It's going showing an error, but I can definitely print this variable message, right? So in order to print a variable in Dart, we can directly pass message as an argument to the print method. So print method is an inbuilt method in Dart, and this is going to print the value of this message variable. Okay, if we try to provide some second argument to this method, what will happen is you are going to get an error, because this method only supports one argument, right? So let's say you want to print some kind of a dynamic string, so we can say you can use a prefix dollar and say message John. So what this is going to print, it's going to print hello John in the console, and you can see hello John has been printed. Now let's see how we can declare a number data in the Dart programming. So I'll say int, and this time I'm also going to say country code is 91. Okay, and let's say I want to print this. Let's add one more print statement and say country code is dollar country code. So dollar is a prefix to country code, and now you can see that in the output we'll see country code as well. Now if you wanted to declare a percentage sign, maybe let's say population ratio or population, let's say for example 10.10. so for this I need to use the double data type, and I can now print this to the console by saying population is prefix dollar population. So anytime I want to print a dynamic variable, I need to add dollar as a prefix to that variable, and let's run this, and you can see that now the output is there in the console.